Hello and welcome to Starrbrighthandyworks. My name is Sam Starr. I've been on YouTube for about a month and a half now, and I figured it was time to do a video talking about who I am, what I'm doing on YouTube, and so let's go with that. I I've been doing trades work most of my life, and now I've decided to, now that I've built up some tools at home, to get into some woodworking and sell some in order to make swords and wands and wizard staffs in order to sell them at Ren Fairs, as well as a local shop in Thunder Bay, campus in Clay, if you are local to Thunder Bay or you're ever in the city. I also have started making kitchen utensils, as you may have seen in some of my other videos. Those are currently for sale at Mum's Pantry, which is about 2 doors down from Campus and Clay, also in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, if you're watching this from out of country. This Sunday, actually, I'm going to be at the Spring Craft Revival. So I'll have some wands for sale and some of my kitchen utensils for sale. So if you're in Thunder Bay this weekend, and come by to the Craft Revival. Oh, it's about 20 different buildings hosting vendors to help network local businesses and improve awareness of local businesses to the people of Thunder Bay and those abroad. So it's a really good initiative, and it's come out and support us if you want to be there. Anyway, that's not what you're here for. What you want to know is what I am doing on YouTube. Well, I figured I might as well take videos and document a lot of the aspects of the project, so you at home can make these projects yourself. This Minecraft pickaxe here, I made for my daughter's 6th birthday party. Oh my god, I walked in the room and one kid was just going to town on a dig kit with it, and it was the best thing to see ever. Um, but yeah, so you watch my how to make videos if you want to make it yourself. Eventually, I'd love to have a website so that I can offer PDF designs of my creations so other people can make them at home other than just watching the video to make it. It's easier if you have a pattern to cut out. I'm sure you all know what I mean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow for more. Otherwise, you might miss some of these how to make videos. I plan to upload one short every day, usually related to a lawn form video, but I'm going to be peppering in some fun ones. Like earlier, you saw a bone dagger being burned. That one was not in the lawn form video at all. And I plan to do one long form video I'll plan to release that every Sunday at 9, so I want to do one a week. If I can increase my schedule and get ahead of myself with some video creation, I would love to have one out on Wednesdays and Sundays, but for right now it will likely be one long form video on Sundays, and otherwise it'll be one short per day. And give me some feedback, let me know how the shorts are. I'm trying to make them entertaining. I want to show the most satisfying aspects of each stage of my work. Ooh, this is a fun one. This one isn't quite done yet as I'm making this video, but this is made out of fur. I'll be posting this short of it being burned likely on Sunday, the same day this video should be popping up. And then I'll be doing a shellac of it later in the week. But I love making swords. And don't worry, in the short video you'll be able to see the full form of the sword. It was filmed for that aspect rather than the long form, so yeah. This video you're watching while we're talking here is a collection of all of the sword and dagger burn videos I have done so far, as frankly it's my favorite aspect of the work, so I figured it was perfect for the introducing my work. In the future, in the coming weeks, I would like to do a video on making some wands, uns, as well as making some more swords. I just need to find more time in the day to do it. Plus, I need to get a new belt sander and belt. But that's like $10. Anyway, if you happen to be going to Dryden, Ontario, for May 30th for the Renaissance Fair that they're doing there. It's their first annual Renaissance Fair, so please come and support them if you can. And I won't be there personally, but my wife will be there running a booth selling glass fuse wares, and she will have a number of my swords and wands, uns, and kitchen utensils available for purchase there if anyone is interested. Other than that, on my page, I do have my professional email if anyone is interested in purchasing one of my wooden swords, or something similar to what you've seen in the video. Obviously, unless I still have that one in stock, any sword already ordered will be unique based on whatever wood I cut it out of. Oh, this is Jerry. Um, he is a pocket rat my dad gave me, and it's just fun. He always gets in the way of my work. Yeah, see, here he is. Yeah, silly Jerry. Oh, that's a dagger of protection. That was fun. Thank you for watching so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos, and leave a comment letting me know how I can improve it.